All right, I would never buy a car that has been modified, performance parts, used car. Never. Here's why. Okay, check this little baddie out right here. All right, 2005 Subaru WRX STI. All right, a little dirty, but anyways, I bought this car about a year ago, and all of this was done to it. This car had been beat to crap by the previous owner. The motor was blown when I bought it. So I had to send this car to a shop, get everything pulled apart, everything redone. So my suggestion to you, luckily I had some friends that all they do is build Subarus, and they knew every inch of this motor and every inch of the car, so they could put it back together, and it worked perfect. If you don't have connections with somebody like that, I suggest don't buy a vehicle with aftermarket performance parts. The previous owner, 7 times out of 10, might beat the hell out of their car, maybe 5 times out of 10. And you might have the other 5 that, baby their car. They just put performance parts on there for sound with an exhaust or a cold air intake for a little extra performance. But this thing had a complete rebuild on the motor, a bunch of stuff, a bigger turbo, everything. So in my opinion, don't go buy a car that's got a bunch of performance aftermarket parts. You know what I'm talking about.